Nothing more exciting than a good sort out of tools and equipment. This cupboard is affectionately known as my garage. Got everything in here. It was a right mess. Now I'm sorting it out. All of those little boxes on that shelf are all electrical connections, heat shrink, various connectors, switches, fuses. Crikey, it's endless. And then just sorting through the toolboxes, really separating more engineering, kind of mechanical tools from my like electrical test, installation, and majority of the tools that I use on the projects that I cover. An awful lot of money spent in electrical wire crimping and stripping. It's absolutely paramount to make sure that you crimp and strip wires correctly, because if you fail to cut the insulation you may damage it, and then have projects that short circuit and all that, have open circuits, etc. But yeah, massive sort out.